Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up Payhip Store. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to open Payhip's builder, create a custom page for your store, style it so it matches your brand, and publish it confidently. We'll move carefully through each action so you understand not just what to click, but why it matters for a clean, professional storefront. Start by heading to your Payhip dashboard. This is your control center where you can access products, customers, and your storefront tools. Make sure you're signed in so the builder loads with your account settings. At the top of the dashboard, select Store. This takes you to the area where the visual editor lives and where you'll manage how your storefront looks to visitors. Choose Launch Your Store Builder. The builder is a drag and drop editor, which means you can design without code. It's helpful to keep a simple goal in mind, for example, highlighting your best product or making your brand colors stand out, so choices you make in the editor stay consistent. Inside the builder, click Add in the top left. You're about to create a new page for your storefront, which gives you full control over layout, content, and style. Select Custom Page. This option is ideal when you want a page tailored to your needs, rather than a pre-filled template. It's flexible enough for a home page, a landing page, or a simple showcase. Enter a clear, descriptive page name. Pick something that makes sense to visitors and to you, such as home, featured products, or a concise brand tagline. Good naming helps you stay organized as your store grows. Click. Add to create the page. You'll see a clean canvas ready for design. Choose Add Section to begin building your layout. Sections are the building blocks of your page. Think hero banners, product grids, image galleries, or text blocks. Add only what supports your goal and keep the order logical so visitors can skim easily. Open Store Style to set your colors and overall look. Align the palette with your brand. Select readable fonts and keep contrast strong for accessibility. Small, consistent choices here make the whole site feel polished. Use the editing single-page controls to customize each element. Replace placeholder text, upload high-quality images, adjust buttons and links, and fine-tune spacing. Keep copy concise and visuals consistent so everything feels unified across desktop and mobile. When you're happy with the design, click Publish at the top right. Your changes go live immediately, and you can return to the builder anytime to refine and republish as your store evolves. Great work! Your Payhip store is set up and ready to share.